Install your Exodus crypto wallet on either desktop, mobile, or even a Web3 wallet for your Chrome browser. Easy. Come down into the description of this video, click on subscribe, but click here for installation. That will bring you to the website over here. Choose the one that you want to install and click on that one. For this, we will install the Web3 wallet as I have the other two. Those are straightforward. Be sure to get your 12-word recovery phrase, but I'll talk about that in a bit. Web3 Exodus will take you to Chrome. You can say add to Chrome, that will check. It will say add, and you just say add extension. It's busy adding to Chrome, and before you know it, it's done. It will bring you to a screen like this. Either create a new wallet or I have a wallet. I already have a computer wallet, so I will just say I have a wallet. Now enter my password that I have for my web browser. Let me start this in again, same one. And resource, it's linking my Web3 browser to my actual browser that I have. Then it says yes, the connections are in. Exodus is happy. Pin it to the extension. Oh yeah, to do that, click over here. We want to come down to over here, click on that. Now it's pinned to your Chrome browser at the top right, and you can just say continue. That'll open up your wallet to the right. Fund your wallet if you want to fund your wallet, you can do that over here, and your Web3 browser is ready to go.